What is a mass airflow sensor? Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, when we put fuel into the engine, we actually mix it with air, and the ratio is approximately 14 or 15 parts of air to 1 part of fuel. So in order for the computer to calculate how much fuel to put in, it needs to know how much air is going in. So on this car, here's where your air cleaner's at, and the air comes in through here and then enters the engine. Well, as it passes through here, this part right here, which you can't see very well, where this plug is at, is called the mass airflow sensor. And it basically measures how much air is going into the engine, and then the computer can calculate how much fuel to put in accordingly. There's different types, different styles. Some cars use them, some cars don't. But I hope this helps you understand what a mass airflow sensor is and what it does. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.